From stress to serenity. Two sides of the business coin. The journey from chaos to calm is a path many business owners dream of. Imagine this. Sarah, a business owner for 20 years, constantly battles fires. Her days are filled with endless tasks and unforeseen challenges. She's glued to her phone, answering employee questions, chasing late payments, and putting out operational fires. Every day feels like a race against time. Retirement feels like a distant dream, a luxury she can't afford. The weight of responsibility is ever present, making her wonder if she'll ever find peace. Now picture Michael. He sold his business last year and is enjoying a round of golf on a Tuesday morning. His life is a stark contrast to Sarah's. He's financially secure, travels the world, and enjoys the fruits of his labor. His days are filled with leisure and adventure, free from the daily grind. What separates Sarah's stress from Michael's serenity? The difference is more than just luck or timing. The answer often lies in how they built and prepared their businesses for sale. Strategic planning and foresight play crucial roles. This isn't just about luck. It's about making informed decisions and having a clear exit strategy. It's about understanding the mergers and acquisitions game and transforming your business into an attractive asset. Knowing when and how to sell is key. It's about building a business that can thrive without you, a business that buyers will line up to purchase. The ultimate goal is to create a legacy that endures. The 70% reality check. Why most businesses don't sell. Let's face a harsh reality. 70% of businesses put up for sale never actually sell. That's right, 7 out of 10 entrepreneurs who dream of cashing in on their life's work will be disappointed. Why? Because they fail to understand what makes a business truly sellable. They get stuck in the day-to-day grind, becoming indispensable to their operations. They prioritize short-term profits over long-term value creation. They neglect to build systems and processes that allow the business to function independently. This isn't about discouraging you. It's about a wake-up call. It's time to shift your mindset from running a job to building a valuable asset. Building an asset, not just a job. Shifting your perspective. There's a fundamental difference between owning a job and owning a business. A job requires your constant presence. A business generates value even when you're not there. A job provides an income stream. A business is a valuable asset you can sell. Think about it. If your business relies solely on your expertise, your relationships, your ability to put out fires, it's not a business. It's a job with your name on the door. Buyers aren't interested in inheriting your workload. They're looking for a well-oiled machine that generates consistent profits. The key is to transition from operator to owner, from working in the business to working on the business. This means creating systems, building a team, and documenting processes so the business can run smoothly with or without you. The 6 pillars of a sellable business. Creating a system for success. Transforming your business into a desirable asset requires focusing on 6 key systems. These systems are the backbone of a business that not only survives but thrives in a competitive market. First, the client attraction system. This is a predictable and repeatable process for acquiring new customers. It's about creating a steady stream of potential clients who are interested in what you offer. It goes beyond referrals and word of mouth. While these are valuable, they are not enough to sustain long-term growth. Think digital marketing, content strategies, and sales funnels that consistently bring in leads. These tools help you reach a wider audience and convert interest into action. Next, the client engagement system. This involves a structured approach to onboarding new clients, exceeding their expectations, and nurturing strong relationships. It's about making a lasting impression from the very first interaction. You might consider welcome packages, dedicated account managers, or personalized communication strategies. These elements show clients that you value their business and are committed to their success. Then, there's the client service system. This ensures exceptional service is delivered consistently. It's about maintaining high standards and ensuring every client interaction is positive. It includes clear service level agreements, efficient problem resolution processes, and a customer-centric culture. These components help build trust and loyalty. Fourth, the client retention system. These are proactive strategies to keep customers coming back for more. Retaining clients is often more cost-effective than acquiring new ones. Think loyalty programs, upselling and cross-selling opportunities, and ongoing communication that adds value. These strategies help deepen the relationship with your clients. Fifth, the team accountability system. This involves clear roles, responsibilities, and performance metrics for your team. It's about ensuring everyone knows what is expected of them and how they contribute to the overall success. It ensures everyone understands their contribution to the company's success and is held accountable for their performance. This fosters a culture of responsibility and excellence. Lastly, the financial measurement system. This involves accurate and up-to-date financial records that track key performance indicators, or KPIs. These metrics provide a clear picture of your business's financial health. It allows you to make informed decisions, identify areas for improvement, and present a clear financial picture to potential buyers. This transparency is crucial for building trust and credibility. By building and refining these 6 systems, you create a business that operates efficiently, generates consistent profits, and is highly attractive to potential buyers. This systematic approach is the key to long-term success and sustainability. Deal structures. Decoded. Navigating the M&A landscape. In this section, we will explore the various deal structures that are commonly used in mergers and acquisitions and how to navigate them effectively. When selling your business, understanding different deal structures is crucial. Each structure has its own set of implications, benefits, and challenges that can significantly impact the outcome of the transaction. Here's a breakdown of the most common types. First, the asset sale. This is one of the most straightforward structures, but requires careful consideration of what assets are included. In this structure, the buyer purchases specific assets of your business, such as equipment, inventory, and intellectual property. This can be beneficial for buyers who are looking to acquire particular assets without taking on the entire business. The seller retains ownership of the legal entity itself. This means that any liabilities or obligations remain with the seller, which can be advantageous in certain situations. This structure is often favored by buyers looking for specific assets or aiming to minimize tax liabilities. Next, the stock sale. This is a more comprehensive approach. Here, the buyer acquires the stock of your company, effectively taking over the entire business. This includes all assets, liabilities, and operational responsibilities. Essentially, the buyer is buying the entire business entity, including assets and liabilities. This can be simpler from a legal perspective, but requires thorough due diligence. This is often simpler from a legal perspective, but may involve a higher tax burden for the seller. Then there's the merger. This is a strategic move. In this structure, two companies combine to form a new entity. This can create significant synergies and opportunities for growth. It's often used for strategic reasons, such as expanding market share or acquiring complementary technologies. Mergers can be complex and require careful planning and execution. Each structure has its own advantages and disadvantages for both the buyer and the seller. It's important to weigh these carefully to make an informed decision. Consulting with an experienced M&A advisor is crucial to determine the most favorable option for your specific circumstances. They can provide valuable insights and guidance throughout the process, ensuring a successful transaction. Learn more at www.jamesmontgomerylaw.com.